Hello guys. Thinking you are good at chess? Let's test your brain under 15 seconds. Black to move, and there's a checkmate in just 2 moves. Sounds easy. Trust me, it's not. Pause the video, look carefully at the position, and try to find the winning move before times run out. So here's a hint. It's rook to move. Comment your answers below if you think you have got it, and don't cheat. Did you find it? The key move here is rook takes h3. Rook will take the pawn h3, and if we'll move with the pawn here, it will be very delayed mate. So that's why we choose the option rook takes h3. It's a very brilliant idea, and it's an unstoppable threat. If you will check here with the queen, there are still some squares left, which will be very hard for us to do the mate. That's why we will do here rook takes h3. Now, no matter what white plays, if white does the defense, then black responds with a very brilliant, strong move. And now we have done that rook takes h3. The king cannot move back as it is occupied by both the pieces, and the pawn also cannot take it as the queen have pinned it. So now it's definitely that the white will take the rook, and we cannot give check here by our other rook as it will be very delayed and again will be the same position. So what we can do instead here, we can do other things like we can move our pawn, but we cannot mate from that thing. That's why we will reverse our things and we will try with the it will work with the pawn. If we'll do it, it will be very delayed and we cannot do the mate easily. It will be very hard for us to do it. That's why the key idea here is to move our queen. If you have paused the video carefully and if you have searched through it, you will understand that we have another brilliant move here, is that we can just move our queen and get a beautiful mate. Here we will move our queen to h4 and it's a very beautiful mate, and now black have no place to go. So it's a forced mate. And subscribe for daily chess puzzles.